Hey everyone, this is an unboxing of the Thrustmaster T-FLIGHT HOTAS X. I got it for 40 bucks on Meritline.com, free shipping. And I never used it. I read reviews. People are saying it's better than the Satec the Satec Cyborg X joystick, which I also bought recently. Mainly the reason I'm using these two joysticks is for Flight Simulator, and I want to get a couple other plane games like Wings Over Vietnam. And so this is the box to the Thrustmaster, and I'll be unboxing it right now. It's a fairly easy box to open. Alright, it's a lot of foam packaging inside. Alright, let me just pull this out. Alright, so mainly this is all that comes in the box. This is foam, this piece of foam right here, with mainly the joystick and everything inside. Comes with a instruction manual on the top. Now here is the joystick itself, which is very nice looking. I just don't 3 speeds, which is alright, I guess. And the joystick itself. And I can tell these are detachable, so it's very adjustable for people who like playing at different distances and all that. Joystick feels nice. There's a PC/PS3 switch right here. I just don't like how there's like when you use the throttle, it stops in the middle like that down, so it's kind of hard to adjust how fast you want your plane to go, especially for Flight Simulator where you gotta go a certain speed decreases every few seconds. And that's about all that comes in the box. So thank you for watching my video. This is the joystick. Alright, for all you guys that have been wondering. Feels nice. Kind of rough turn, but it's alright. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Subscribe, rate, and comment. Thank you.